What's up guys, and it's go time. We have the official first look of the Galaxy A72/Galaxy A52. The much awaited and anticipated Galaxy A 2021 lineup with much needed upgrades. We have the official look of the A72 in all colors, and I have to say, I did not see this coming. So let's start off with the design. We have already seen the black color of this phone. It doesn't seem that much change compared to the previous model, but when you see other colors, that's when you really see what Samsung is doing different this time around. This may just be one of the best implementation of camera bump design I've ever seen. We have this colorless, transparent glass camera bump that just blends in so good, and you can just see the lens on the back of the phone. We actually get 4 colors of this phone, so starting with the blue, light purple, white, and lastly, black color. The back of the phone is once again made up of plastic, but it's gonna have that glass-stick shiny finish. Taking a look from the side, we have that slight camera bump. Now, it seems like Samsung paid extra attention to the design. When you look at the side of the phone, it has color-coordinated look. Unlike last year's model, depending on which color you go for, you'll get that matching sides. And honestly, this looks pretty fresh. Now, Samsung may have killed the 2 most important things that we all love, which is the headphone jack and the micro SD card slot on their flagship phones, but they're keeping it alive on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. Both of these 2 phones are rocking headphone jack along with the micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Now, we're not 100% sure if Samsung will dish the charger on their mid-range phones as well. We just gotta wait and see. As for the front, we have a similar design as the last year's Galaxy A series, but the difference this time around is higher refresh rate. It's reported that 4G models are getting refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, whereas the 5G models are getting 120 Hz refresh rate. For the display sizes, there's not much of a difference. We have a 6.7-inch display on the Galaxy A72. With the A52, you're getting 6.5 inches. Both are rocking Super AMOLED Full HD Plus displays. Now, the Galaxy A72 is packing the same battery size as the S21 Ultra, so you're getting 5000 mAh battery, which is gonna be an insane battery size for this phone. As for the Galaxy A52, we're likely to see a 4500 mAh cell, which is still a pretty beefy battery. Now, under the hood, this is where we have a little bit of disappointment because 4G models are coming with a Snapdragon 720G chip. You do get more RAM this time around, 6GB all the way up to 8GB RAM, but still Snapdragon 720G, I think Samsung could have done a bit better job. But then again, there are 5G variants of these phones coming with Snapdragon 750G. We don't know the price difference, but could be $100 difference between 4G and 5G models. I really wish they utilized their Exynos 1080 chip. Now, taking a look at the camera, we have quad camera setup. On paper, this is pretty much the same as last year's model, but there is some differences. Samsung recently announced their new set of smaller 0.7 micrometer pixel size sensors, and the one that I'm talking about is the ISOCELL GW3. This is their new 64 megapixel sensor that is 15% smaller than their previous 64 megapixel sensor, but it packs the latest ISOCELL Plus and Smart ISO technology. As for the videos, it can output 4K up to 60 frames per second, so there's a good chance that Samsung might enable the higher frame rate video recording on the A series. As for other lenses, we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and an 8 megapixel zoom. This information coming from Rollin contradicts other leaks. Based on this leak information, it seems like Samsung may have switched their depth sensor for a zoom camera lens, which is actually a good move because we know how useless that depth camera is. As for the pricing, the A52 4G model is rumored to rock the price point of $400. As for Galaxy A72, very likely to start at $500. So there we go, Galaxy A72/A52. We have exciting colors and a brand new transparent camera bump design. Looks really good. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner for the Galaxy S21 tomorrow, so make sure to stay tuned on my Twitter. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.